In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Theme app, selecting Home at the bottom left corner and hitting More over here on the right next to Hot Theme. This way you will see all of those, and when you find perfect one for you, just click on it. Then hit download at the bottom, and when it's ready, tap on apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you wanna go back to your default one, go back to the same app. This time, select Mine at the bottom right corner. Hit Theme at the top left one and choose Local Theme section. Then pick one of your local themes and apply it by tapping on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!